The fake one. What's that one?
This is mine.
No. What's right there?
This is mine. Oh my.
Stop!
What? Are you seeing some improvement?
Yeah, they can.
On September 2nd, 2023 in Ohio, officers were conducting an arrest when individuals from a nearby building began yelling at them, demanding the patrol cars be moved for an incoming pizza delivery. After repeated warnings were ignored, officers approached the residents to make contact and address the situation.
John, what's tonight? I'm done.
She was like, what the hell?
She's like, okay.
She was just getting ready to take her referral from...
Hi.
Hi. Need your IDs.
IDs?
Student
can
IDs.
I ask for why?
You're being referred. Student IDs right now.
Can I just ask?
Give me your student ID.
I think I have the right to ask why.
Okay, so now you're going to get another referral for non-compliance.
I'm sorry, hold on.
Yeah.
It's non-compliant. I'm just asking why.
You guys want to sit up there and yell stupid shit and raise all kinds of issues with us while we're trying to do work and interfere with our scene? Yes, you absolutely are. It's all on my camera. Give me your ID immediately. ID immediately. Get your roommates. I need their IDs as well.
Can I come back to you
Nope.
in like a minute?
Nope. Don't shut your door. ID.
Okay.
Do you think this is a game?
Sir, I didn't know.
Get your ID now.
Hey. Okay, I'm
No,
gonna get it.
you're not shutting your door. Get your ID
I have
now.
the right.
Get your ID now.
I don't feel comfortable with you opening my door.
I'm not opening your door. I'm holding it open. Get your ID.
Okay.
But
I'm the only roommate here right
no,
now.
you're not. I want all the girls' names there.
I just walked through my whole house. I'm the only person here. Ma'am, I'm sorry.
That's fine. That's fine. And the university can contact you guys.
Got it.
We need your ID though.
Okay. Let me see. Here we go. Here's my ID.
Do you have your state ID?
My state ID is
Yeah.
me.
Do you know why we're talking to you?
I do not. I have no clue what's...
Everything that you guys were up there yelling at us is on our body cams. So every time we turned around, we could see your faces. So everything that was going on is on camera.
We've just been confused why...
No, you're not confused. You
Fuck
have
12 and all that. That's being confused. I think that's you playing
telling
dumb
us we
now.
have too many cop cars. Telling us that we're in the way of your pizza.
We don't need 3 cops for one
We
kid.
have just been...
Yeah.
Like,
You've been up there talking shit.
I have my paper one. It's just that my...
What was the one I
What's the
see in the
ID?
front right there?
Right
Is it a
there.
fake one or something?
Here's this one.
No,
No,
your
what's the one
other
up front?
ID.
The fake one. What's that one?
This is mine.
No, what's right there?
This is mine right here.
Okay, so now we're going to play that game
That's
too.
fine. How old are you?
I am...
Brenda's ID.
You're 20?
And you're drunk, huh? Cool.
I can smell the alcohol on you.
Give me your ID. Give me your ID or turn around and you're under arrest for underage consumption. State ID now. Give me the fake.
This is mine.
The fake ID that we saw that's on
Come on.
camera. You really want to go to jail over a fake ID?
I do not.
Then give it. We have
I'm
everything.
not
Want me to
playing.
give it to you in that?
Is it this pocket, right? Look.
Sure.
What is that?
Take that, sir.
That you playing dumb, right?
Hello?
Can I help you?
Yo, what's going on?
Do you live here?
No, I'm
Then
just
be gone. Bye.
I'm friends with her.
Bye.
Go.
Go. Come on.
Give me your ID. Give me your ID. You want to play this game? Do you want to play this? Then get the fuck off the porch. Go.
Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. I'll go.
Go.
Just go, Lauren. Just go.
Go.
No, just go. Just
You want to interfere with us?
Do not.
I will arrest you right now for obstruction.
I don't.
Then leave.
Go.
Just go. Just go. Go.
I am
Can
trying.
I ask a question, please?
I am trying to tell you a break and not take you to jail.
Why are you still here? Why are you still here? Why are you...
Lauren.
You really want to push me? I suggest you get the walk-in.
Okay. Jesus Christ.
No, Vince, go. Go, please. Shut the door and go.
Bro, you're a fucking loser. Holy shit.
Just go, Vince, go.
All right.
You don't want to make this worse for me, please. Just shut the door and go. Please.
Actually, I want to know. What are you talking about? I actually want to know what the rights you're talking about. I actually want to know.
This isn't nothing.
It doesn't matter. I want you. What's the rights you're talking about?
Where's your student? You student here?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
No, it doesn't matter. What the fuck are you talking about her?
Vince, just
Talk to me. Talk to me right now.
Go.
I don't care. that you
Don't
talk to
stop.
her. Don't touch her.
Vince,
Stop.
please,
Tell me-
please,
tell
you're
me
gonna
right
make
now.
it worse.
I don't have
They
any
don't
right
like it. They don't like it. They don't
Tell me
like it.
right now what the fuck.
Vince, go.
Give me a right
Vince,
now.
go.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
Oh my.
Stop. Give me a fucking right.
Stop. Stop.
Get back. Give me your rights. Give me your rights right now. Get back. Give me your rights right now. Get back. Use your powers right now. I have fucking rights. I know your fucking rights, bro. I know your rights. I know your fucking rights right now. I know your rights. I know your fucking rights, bro.
Oh my God.
I know your fucking rights. I know it. I know it. Put your hands behind your back now. I know your fucking rights now.
Give me your hand right here, buddy. Yep.
Get
You wanna fucking assault me, you piece of shit?
No, you.
Back here.
Oh my God.
You good? Come on. We got pepper spray everywhere.
Okay, come on. Right. Get the fuck up.
Pretend like you
I'm not doing.
We gotta carry him.
Please help me.
Anybody got an ID on him yet?
No.
Please help me. Please help me. I have nothing in my pockets. I have nothing in my pockets. Trust me. Oh my God.
He was slamming us around.
He's a big boy. Hey, look up.
I need, please. I need help me. I can't open it.
I know that. I'm trying to wipe the pepper spray off your face.
Put your head back. Oh. I'm playing. I just want to. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's a little too late for that, so why don't you just stop talking?
Okay. I'm sorry.
We got fake IDs.
Yep.
So he's underage too?
Squad 1 to dispatch. We are en route to 20 Woodland.
Is that the real one?
226 through 17.
It's a real one. God.
What was that? A key.
I need help.
It's a real one.
Somebody's coming.
So these are all.
Good.
I ran this.
That's not coming back.
So that's another fake. Why would he have a fake that's underage?
That's what I'm saying. Try one of them.
My radio's dead.
Here.
Please. I can't open my eyes. I'm sorry. I can't open my eyes. I'm sorry. I don't want to be like a fucking weirdo. I'm sorry. I don't care about being drunk. You guys, I don't give a
Shut up!
I don't care. Oh
My God, shut your mouth.
691 460 are coming back.
That scares me. That shit really
Look up.
scares me.
Look up. Look up.
I can't look.
You can move your head up.
No, my
Squad 1, we are on scene at 20
my
Woodland.
eyes hurt really bad. Like, please. Like,
Did you
please
take
don't-
anything else tonight
No.
besides alcohol?
No. Like,
How do you not have any other injuries?
no, like, please help me. Like,
322 to 320.
I can't move. Like, I can't.
Hang tight.
I can't move. Like, you guys are hurting me. But please, stop.
I gotta
You
get
got no
pictures.
marks.
I know. I don't understand how.
Right here. Right here.
Go ahead, I'm kind of busy.
Get the girl.
Get the girl first.
Hey, guys, the squad's here. Let them try and decontaminate her.
I got her.
I know. She still needs to go.
Is it? Can I ask a question?
She doesn't want an ambulance here.
I know. We have to decontaminate her.
I know, that's what I'm doing now.
Is it? How it hurts so bad.
I'll get the.
Is it campus safety or like Miami Valley?
What?
Do you want to be checked out by the ambulance?
I'm saying, is it free or not?
It's free
The
if
ambulance
they
is free.
That's what I was worried about. I'm sorry. I'm trying to be respectful.
I know, but they have actual wipes that's gonna do better than the hose.
Pepper spray?
She didn't get pepper sprayed. The guy fighting us got pepper sprayed. She was sitting there.
I'm sorry.
Is this making it feel better at all? I know. Can you get a picture of her face?
I've never been pepper sprayed. I don't know how.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
All right, ma'am, do you have any questions? Is there anything that we can... All right, so here's what's going to happen, all right? Is that you're going to get the referral through the university like we talked about. Originally, we were going to do criminal charges. I'm not sure what that's looking at right now with the underage consumption. All right, I don't understand why your friend didn't listen to you
Okay.
about going inside. So
Right. It was not up to me, yeah.
I understand that, and I don't fault you at all for his actions. So,
Yeah.
all right,
Is he, what's
he's
where-
going to jail. He attacked 2 police officers. He's absolutely going to jail. So, do you have any... Is that your boyfriend?
Oh, it's my friend's boyfriend.
Okay. So he'll be at the Montgomery County Jail.
Is he a student here? Here's another thing. When you take a shower, use this stuff. This will be, don't just use regular
And
soap.
my eyeballs.
Well, as close
Sorry.
as you can.
Did you give her extra wipes?
Yeah, I gave him
Does he need to go to the hospital, guys?
No, I don't need
I think here's irrigate. It's just taking. It's just his eyes. Yeah, he's
Okay.
just struggling to keep it open.
Max, get that camera back and just take pictures. I don't know if these are injuries from here.
I just don't want to be. I don't want
Do
to
you
cause
have
any
any
trouble.
other injuries you need to go to the hospital?
No. I don't want to cause any trouble. I want to be safe.
Sir, that ship sailed about an hour ago.
Don't move your legs, okay?
I'm relaxed.
Just do a real good look over and get any pictures of injuries on him.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I was being.
Pullen, are you good?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I just my face.
The boy was charged with resisting arrest, obstruction of justice, 2 counts of felonious assault, and underage consumption, while the female was charged with underage consumption.